Good afternoon, all of us. I am Sharda Jadhav, Statistics. I teach you designs of experiment from HM College, Karad. In previous lecture, we see definition of designs of experiment. Design means planning and experiment means any phenomena or operation under certain conditions. Then we see some basic terms like experimental unit, treatment, yields and so on. Now we can go to next point, empirical formula for the variance per unit area of plot. What is mean by empirical relation? Empirical formula means the relation between plot size and plot variance. This result was obtained by Mahalanobis in course of his work with a sample survey with area under Jute in Bengal. P.C. Mahalanobis is a founder of National Sample Survey NSS in 1950. या सायंटिस्टनी 1950 साली NSSची स्थापना केली. त्यांनी त्यांच्या कामात म्हणजे वर्क ज्यूट इन बेंगाल, बांगलादेशमध्ये ज्यूटचं फार उत्पादन होतं. त्या उत्पादनाचं काम करत असताना त्यांनी प्लॉट साईज अँड व्हेरियन्स यांच्यातलं एक रिलेशन एस्टॅब्लिश केलं and this is called as empirical relation. An empirical relation between plot size x and plot variance vx denoted by Hugh-Fairfield Smith helps to determine the plot size. This is given as log of vx equal to log of v1 minus b dash log x, which implies that v of x equal to v1 divided by x raised to b dash, where x is the area of the plot, b dash is the regression coefficient indicating the relation between adjacent units or individuals. This b dash lies between 0 to 1. This is a regression coefficient and it always lies between 0 to 1. Now next, V1. V1 is the variance among plot of size unity. Now go to next point, basic principles of designs of experiment. There are three basic principles, namely replication, randomization, local control. First we see replication. What is mean by replication? Simple meaning of replication is repetition. Simple meaning of replication is repetition. Dr. R.A. Fisher, Ronald A. Fisher is a pioneer of subject experimental design, and these three principles gives R.A. Fisher. Now repetition. Replication means repetition. आपण लहान मुलांना होमवर्क देतो. जेव्हा पाढेपाठ करत असतो तेव्हा त्यांना आपण होमवर्क देतो 3 times, 4 times and so on. This is also called as replication. आपण तिथं रिपिटेशन करतो. Repetition removes the bias. It gives better estimates, accurate result. लहान मुलांना आपण 3 times, 4 times दिल्यामुळं त्यांचं पाठ होण्यास मदत होते, ब्रेनमध्ये सेव्ह केलं जातं किंवा ॲक्युरेट रिझल्ट मिळण्याचे आपल्याला चान्सेस असतात. and these replication used in designs of experiment. डिझाईन्स ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये आपण रेप्लिकेशनचा वापर करतो. रेप्लिकेशन मीन्स रिपीटेशन. इफ ट्रीटमेंट इज अलॉटेड or experimental unit in an experiment, it is said to be replicated r times. If in a design each of the treatment is replicated r times, then design is said to have r replications. Replication is necessary to increase the accuracy of estimate of the treatment effect. Replication serves to reduce experimental error and thus enable us to obtain more precise estimate of treatment effect. More precise estimate of treatment effect. Precise means तुम्हाला जो रिझल्ट अपेक्षित आहे त्या रिझल्टशी तंतोतंत जुळणं. गुड. Thus replication provide more reliable estimate than is possible with a single observation. More number of replication is better from the point of view of getting more precise estimate, but it cannot be increased indefinitely due to many causes. The number of replication is divided keeping in view of the availability of experimental material, permissible expenditure and required degree of precision. Now we can go to second principle, randomization. Randomization is a process. ही एक प्रकारची प्रोसेस आहे. It gives equal chance to every unit. Randomization means pure chance method. प्रत्येकाला समान संधी देणं या गोष्टीला प्युअर चान्स मेथड म्हणतात, इक्वेलिटी म्हणतात आणि This principle is called as randomization. Randomization means the process of assigning the treatment to various experimental units based on pure chance or at random is called randomization. There are definitely many advantages of assigning the treatments randomly to the experimental units. They are as follows. First, randomization eliminates the human bias. इक्वली चान्स दिल्यामुळं जो ह्युमन बायस असतो, थोडासा जो डिफरन्स असतो तो इथं रिमूव्ह होतो. रँडमायझेशन मेक्स द एक्सपेरिमेंट फ्री फ्रॉम एनी सिस्टमॅटिक इन्फ्लुएन्सेस ऑफ एन्व्हायरमेंट. The process of randomization enabled to apply mathematical theories which would have otherwise not been possible. Randomization may be considered to device to effectively make the experimental error independent. Now go to third principle, local control. Local control means या शब्दातच अर्थ आहे लोकली कंट्रोल करणं. बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल्समध्ये फर्स्ट आपण रेप्लिकेशन पाहिलं, रँडमायझेशन पाहिलं. रेप्लिकेशन म्हणजे यू गेट द रिपीटेशन विच गिव्स द रिझल्ट ॲक्युरेट एस्टिमेट बायस. रँडमायझेशन मीन्स वी यूज प्युअर चान्स मेथड. अँड थर्ड प्रिन्सिपल विच इज इम्पॉर्टंट, लोकल कंट्रोल. डिझाईन्स ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट. दिस फील्ड इज used in agricultural industry, also chemical industry and other factors. Designs of experiment is useful, but most of use is in agricultural field. Local control means, थोडंसं तुम्हाला मी एक्झाम्पल देऊन सांगते. लोकल कंट्रोल मीन्स समजा आपली शेती असेल तर लोकली लोकांना माहीत असतं की पाण्याचा फ्लो कुठून येणार आहे. आपण या प्लॉटचं सेपरेशन टप्प्यात केलं तर आपली जमीन ही सुपीकतेकडं वाढेल आणि ते लोकली कंट्रोल करतात. मग कदाचित नाला काढतील, पाणी जाण्याचं किंवा पाणी राहण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करतील. हे लोकली लोकांना माहीत असतं. इन मेडिकल सायन्स फॅमिलीला माहीत असतं की होल त्या पेशंटची पूर्ण अवस्था ही फॅमिलीसाठी सांगू शकते. म्हणजे लोकली की याच्यावर अशा प्रकारे थोडंसं हे केलं किंवा हा स्वभाव असा आहे, मेडिसिनमध्ये याला या मेडिसिनमुळं थोडंसं त्रास झालेला होता, हे लोकली कळतं. म्हणजे इन मेडिकल सायन्स, इन ॲग्रिकल्चरल फील्ड, इन एव्हरी केमिकल सायन्सेस, एव्हरी फील्ड, basic is a importance of local control, and that's why it is a basic principle. Now see local control. In agricultural experiment, if the field is heterogeneous and different treatments are allotted to various units at random over the entire field, then the soil heterogeneity will also be an uncontrolled factor which increase the experimental error. In order to separate the soil fertility effects from the experimental error, the whole experimental area is divided into homogeneous groups. म्हणजे तुम्ही जो हेट्रोजिनियस प्लॉट होता त्याचं कन्वर्जन होमोजिनिटीमध्ये केलं. ॲज युज्युअल देअर आर कंडिशन्स आर डिफरंट पर फार्म, दे मे बी चेंज्ड. The whole experimental area is divided into homogeneous groups, row wise or column wise, according to fertility gradient of the soil, such that variation within each block is minimum and between the blocks is maximum. The treatments are then allotted at random within each block. The process of reducing the experimental error by dividing the relatively homogeneous heterogeneous experimental area into homogeneous block is known as local control. Basic principles: replication, randomization, local control. Replication means repetition म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट बऱ्याच वेळा रिपीट करणं. Suppose there are r times replicated, then it is called as r replications. Randomization means pure chance method, and local control means we can convert heterogeneous groups into homogeneous groups like row wise, column wise, and so on, such that minimum variance between maximum variance, within minimum variance between maximum variance of that groups. Okay, now we can go for statistical design. First, statistical design, completely randomized design. C or D, completely randomized design. C or D. It is through all of simplest design, सगळ्यात सोपी डिझाईन ही completely randomized design. In this design, only two basic principles can be applied. In this design, only two basic principles can be applied. Now, Suppose N T, sorry, T1, T2 and so on. Suppose N experimental unit can be divided into N1, N2 and so on Nk groups. Completely randomized design हे सगळ्यात सिंपल डिझाइन आहे. Two principles can be applied only: replication and randomization, that is repetition and pure chance method. The whole experimental group area can be divided subgroups row wise as column wise, like N1, N2, Nk. T be the K treatments like T1, T2 and Tk. K be the treatments. There be K treatments T1, T2, Tk to be compared for purpose of comparison of T amongst themselves. These are the allotted to experimental units by the way of and the experiment. Capital N units, capital N experimental units, we have to design an experiment in these K treatments which can be properly compared. K treatments to allocate completely at random to these N experimental units in such a way that treatment goes to N1 experimental unit. The treatment T1 goes to N1 experimental unit. Treatment T2 goes to N2 experimental unit and treatment Tk goes to Nk experimental units, so that capital N becomes N1 plus N2 plus and so on Nk groups. T1 treatments apply N1 experimental unit, T2 treatments apply N2 experimental units, treatment Tk apply Nk experimental units. That is, the experimental unit can be divided into N1, N2, Nk groups. That is, capital N equal to N1 plus N2 plus dash dash Nk. At the end of the experiment, we shall have n observations of yield from n experimental units. Then we carry out analysis of variance, that is one-way classification to these data to have comparison between these treatments. This statistical technique is known as completely randomized design. This design is based on principles of randomization and replications. In short, CRD may be defined as one in which the treatments are randomly arranged over whole of the experimental material. Okay. Now, layout of an experiment. Layout of CRD. Layout of CRD. We take A, B, C, D, E. We take A, B, C, D, E. 5 treatments in 4 blocks. A, 2, 3, 4. B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, B, D, A, B, C, D. Layout of CRD. For convenience, we will consider 5 treatments A, B, C, D, E in CRD. We allow these 5 treatments completely at random to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 experimental units. This allotment is shown by the following diagram, which is known as layout of CRD. Here, treatment A repeats. Treatment A repeats 3 times. Treatment A repeats 3 times. Treatment B repeats 2, 3, 4, 5. Treatment B repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. And so on. Treatment E repeats 1, 2, 3 times. That is 5 treatments comparing 4 blocks. Total number of experimental unit is 20 and CRD is a simple design, completely randomized design. Only 2 principles, replication and randomization, are useful. Okay, thank you.